Hey guys, this is Kevin with Grayline Overland again, and we're coming at you from the kitchen today, and we're going to do a little unboxing of my Metalcloak drive shaft that we ordered. We had the technical difficulties out on the trail last time, and it was a couple weeks ago, and we have been waiting on this to come in. Metalcloak, because of the COVID stuff, was on a bit of a delay, so it took probably an extra week for us to get here because it's from Sacramento, so about a week that it took, a little bit longer than a week that it took to get here. So, but it's here now, and we'll be looking to install this weekend, and we'll actually do a video on that and bring that to you as well. We have another video that we're going to be putting out probably dealing with recovery gear and some recovery situations, so keep an eye out for that. If there's anything else y'all want to see, be sure to put it in the comments below and let us know. If there's anything we're not doing that you would like to see, just let us know. We'll try our best to get out there and do it. And if there's places that you want to see us go, put it in the comments too, because maybe we can get out there. And just so y'all know, we are planning a Moab trip coming up, hopefully October-ish, whenever the restriction of movement is lifted. Hopefully it'll be lifted by then, and we can actually make our way out to Moab. So that's one of them that's in the works. But if there's, and we love Big Bear, so if there is a trail at Big Bear that y'all want to see us go to, then be sure to hit us up and let us know, because we're still looking for more trails up there. You know, we're constantly wanting to know better, more trails, good trails to go and to visit, so that we can bring all that content as well. And we will be doing our camping when we get the trailer, which should be soon, hopefully. And we'll bring you some camping videos, for the true overlanding whenever that comes in. So right now we're, trying out all the trails, and we'll have a maiden voyage, stuff like that, where we kind of knock the dust off of it and make sure that we know what we're doing out there with the trailer. So that's coming down the pipes as well. One moment. Okay, sorry. So that's coming down the pipes as well. And be sure to like this video and please subscribe. What we do here, we do this all for y'all. By liking the video and subscribing, you're letting us know that you do enjoy the content. And if you hit that little bell over the side, it'll actually let you know when our new videos come out, so that you'll stay informed on that. And it really helps us to know that y'all are enjoying the content whenever y'all comment, like, and subscribe, and then share as well. So that would be greatly appreciated. It doesn't cost anything. It's completely free. You just hit that little thing down at the bottom of your screen where it says subscribe, and then hit the little bell over there as well. And that'll get you the notifications. But anyway, here we go. Yeah. Okay, guys, so here we are. It comes with new hardware, of course, all grade 8 hardware that they sent out, and it also came with a new yoke for the transmission side right here. So that'll be installed along with the new drive shaft. And so Metalcloak is a little different than Adams. Adams actually sends you a yoke for your rear end as well, for your differential. Where Metalcloak does it, actually what they do is they actually put the end on there that will actually connect up with your factory on your differential. Oops, sorry Ashley, this is your countertop. We didn't break it though, so that's all good. So they actually do it a little differently though. I kind of like it because it means that you don't have to worry about the preload that is on the pinion gear. You don't have to worry about messing that up. If you had it, if it's by undoing it and not getting it torqued down properly or anything like that. So you don't have to worry about any of that. All you got to do is put the 160 foot-pounds, I believe it is, to this yoke on the transmission side, and you're good to go. So here we are. I'll leave I'm gonna leave this here so we don't get our counters dirty and I don't get in trouble with Ashley. But this is the drive shaft. It did come with a couple scratches on it. I'm not really worried about that because, as y'all know, I usually scratch everything anyway. So it's not really going to affect anything. Comes with a double cardan on this end, and this is the side that will actually go to the transmission. It has greasable fittings on the U-joints. Let's see here where they at. They're in here somewhere. Oh, there they are. I'm sorry. They are. Oh, I thought that was them. Nope, not it. Anyway, we'll find them on the install. I think they're greasable. I might be wrong. Oh, the drive shaft itself is greasable. Right over here. Right here, so that you can keep everything lubricated, because this does move in and out like so. And the factory drive shaft actually it does have them on the U-joints. I just can't see them on that one, because here is the grease fitting on the U-joint itself. If you'd like to get a good shot of that, it's right here. So there is grease fittings on the U-joints as well. So the difference between this and the factory drive shaft, if you've seen the factory drive shaft, you know that it looks bigger, but this is actually a thicker wall material here, so it's a lot stronger. Plus, on the factory drive shaft, you have a boot that covers the distance here, where it comes in and comes out, and that boot can get damaged, and then all the grease gets out of there, and then it messes it up, and you have to either put a new boot on it or replace the drive shaft if you wait too long, because the grease is not there. It'll rust up and everything. So this one has its seal is on the inside here, and the grease is contained in here, and and that seal just acts like a wiper as it comes in and out, but it keeps it good and greased, so you don't have to worry about that, and it doesn't get damaged from anything on the trail. So encased in here, you have very little chance of it actually being damaged. As I said, this is the end that will go to the the differential, and it has the traditional style, so we don't have to change out the yoke. So it takes I believe it's 8 bolts, just like the factory would, and then the only thing that we have to change is the one on the transmission. So this is it right here, and let's see. Oh, one more thing. This will actually give you an additional 2 inches of clearance. So, with your lifted vehicles and so on and so forth, you've got more room to go up and still have a long enough drive shaft. We didn't have to send any kind of measurements in or anything like that to Metalcloak. This is just kind of a it's going to work kind of thing. If you want to do that, there are plenty of guys out there that do custom drive shafts, but I think even Adams, you don't have to worry about that at the stage that we're at with our lift. We're going to a 4-inch lift, so we should be just fine with that extra 2 inches of clearance that they offer with this. All right, that's all with the unboxing. We also have these new badges that came in from Gold Mountain and Holcomb Creek, and we'll be installing them on the Jeep later. Ashley's going to help us find the spot where we're going to put them, and my vote is we put one on the hard top on the window, because that way we don't have it actually stuck to the Jeep, and we can, whenever we go to do our wrap, we don't have to worry about pulling all these things off. But I would like to put one more on the side of the Jeep. But they also make magnets. I've heard that you can get and put on the back of this, or you can rig up something yourself and put a magnet on the back, and that way you can take them on and off. And I thought about doing that too, but we're not going to worry about that right now. And that might be actually the way I put them on after we get a wrap. Because hopefully soon, or not soon, probably in the future, but it'll be in the future, but not soon, we will get a wrap with our logo and everything like that on there. Some cool design, I hope. So anyway, please don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video. And that's all I got for you today. And we appreciate all your support, and y'all have a great day. We'll see you on the trail.